Hello guys, this is Penhaps again. Welcome to another episode of my video tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online using Bitcoin cloud mining. Right, so in case you happen to come to YouTube or you browse and then you come to YouTube, you can search the term Penhaps and then you will land on my channel. When you land on my channel, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button, and then you also click on the notification bell here where you can get notification of every video I produce. Alright, in case you don't know, I teach people how to design website from scratch without any knowledge in coding. I also teach people how to make money online, create PayPal account in Ghana, and a whole lot of things, so you can get a whole lot of skills here. So always subscribe to my YouTube channel and then learn a lot of skills here. So let's get started on how to start with this Bitcoin cloud mining. Alright, I'm going to use Bitcoin cloud mining, and this is another opportunity where you can make a lot of money with Bitcoin. Right, you can either deposit money to make money for the system to work for you, or you can earn money free. So here I'm going to show you how to make Bitcoin. I'm going to show you how to make free Bitcoins with the system. All right, so what you do is I will leave a link inside the description of the video. All right, I will leave a link there. So once you check the description of this video, you will see the link to register. So don't forget to register with the link. So once you get a link and register, what you do is you come to, once you get a link and register, you come to shop, right? Or let me just show you how the system works, and people also making money here. This is how people make money, just by depositing money and then the system working for them automatically, and then they can withdraw the money when they reach the minimum withdrawal. Okay, but for you, we are going to use the free system to make money with this Bitcoin cloud mining. All right, so what we do is when you register with the system will give you 100 stars. The 100 stars you can use the 100 stars to shop, and after you shop, the system is going to work for you and then generate you Satoshi every minute, every hour, and every day. Right? So once you register, the system gives you automatically 100 stars for free. And then once you get the stars, you click this button, and then you will see shop here. So you click on shop. Okay, once you click on shop, you will see the cloud machines here. So once you see the cloud machines here, you can purchase as many clouds as you want. All right, so let's see this. We have these machines here. The moment you get the 100 stars, you come here and then purchase one of the machines. All right, so this is one of the clouds here. Here the price for one Satoshi is, the price for each one is 100 stars. So if you had 100 stars, you can go ahead and purchase here. So you click here, buy. So you click on buy. Since I don't have funds here, I can't buy. I don't have enough funds here. All right. So if I have enough funds here, I can buy one of these. All right. So if you have many stars, you can buy some of these cloud machines. All right. So if after buying, you go to checking, you go to working, and then you see how the system is going to work for you. So you see the system is producing Satoshi for you every minute, every hour, every day, and then you can collect these Satoshi and then convert them to Bitcoins. So in order for you to get more stars and then use to shop, you can come here, the menu, and click on bonus. If you click on bonus, you can click on win share. The win share, all it means is you have to copy this link, or you have to copy everything here and then go and paste it in your Facebook, either in your Facebook page or Facebook group or any Facebook timeline. All right, so once we share this link and then copy, after sharing this one, after copying and then sharing this one in Facebook, you copy the link and then paste it here. Once you paste it here, the system will automatically give you 300 stars, and this 300 stars you can use to purchase, or you can use to shop and then generate some Satoshi for you. Also, you can come here and then get another bonus you can also get a daily bonus where the system generates bonus for you every 6 hours. So every 6 hours, you can also come here and then generate some free random stars. All right. If you click here every 6 hours, you get some random stars, and then you can also use that stars to shop. Only if you have 100 stars, you can use them to shop. If you can also come here and then invite friends. If you send your link to anyone, you get 90 stars. Okay, anyone who registered your link, you get 90 stars. So what we do here, after you registering, all that you do is go to shop. You use the 100 stars they give you for registering to shop, and then the system, after shopping, after clicking here buy, and then the system will deduct the 100 stars and convert them to Satoshi, and then you see the system working for you here. Once you come to working, you see all the Satoshi being produced here for you. All right, so you see at first I was having 6 Satoshi, now I have 26 Satoshi. It means the system is working for me. I have purchased with all the stars I have, and then the system is working for me. All right, so I can collect the Satoshi here. I can click and then collect the Satoshi here. So see Satoshi collected. All right, once the Satoshi have been produced and collected, I can go to extra. If I want to withdraw my money, I can go to extra. All right, and then I can set my Bitcoin wallet. I will put my Bitcoin wallet here, and then if I want the system to pay me after putting my Bitcoin wallet here, I can go to payments, and then once you reach the minimum payout, the system will recognize your Bitcoin wallet, and then you click on payment order. Once you click on payment order, the amount you are withdrawing will show. Okay, so the minimum withdrawal is 100,000 Satoshi, which is equal to 0.001 Bitcoin, and this is equivalent to $8 or so. All right, this is equivalent to $8, but you can produce this in a minimum of 1 week. All right, this is so easy to do. If we can get Bitcoins, if you can get the stars through the bonus and then through the invitation of friends, then you can produce a lot of stars and then use to shop. Once you use the star to shop, the system will start working for you, and then you can generate a lot of Satoshi and convert those Satoshi to Bitcoins where you can withdraw. All right, so this is easy, and then one of the easiest ways to make money online. All right, so take advantage of this, and then always visit this Bitcoin cloud mining, and you'll be able to generate a lot of Bitcoins for you. All right, thank you for watching, and I believe you take advantage of this opportunity. All right, once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then click on the notification bell here where you can get every video I produce. I will leave the link inside the video description, so make sure you use the link to register and make some free Bitcoins for yourself. Thank you for watching once again. Goodbye.